An overflowing blessings to everyone for our daily verse. We are now at Genesis chapter 26, verse 26 up to 29. Meanwhile, Abimelech had left Gerar and was taking his advisor Asu, As, Ahusat with his army commander Picol to see Isaac. When they arrived, Isaac asked, "Why are you here? Didn't you send me away because you hated me?" They answered, We now know for certain that the Lord is with you, and we have decided there need to be a peace treaty between you and us. So let us make a solemn agreement not to harm each other. Remember, we have never hurt you. And when we sent you away, we let you go in peace. The Lord has truly blessed you. So in this passage, we can read here that King Abimelech and Isaac already made their agreement or peace treaty not to harm each other because King Abimelech knew that indeed the Lord blessed Isaac, and he is afraid that maybe Isaac will overpower him. So that's why.